Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to blur a specific spot or object in your videos using CapCut on PC. Let's go! Step 1. Set up your project. Open CapCut and create a new project. Import your video or image by clicking Import, then selecting your file. Step 2. Add your file to the timeline. Drag your file to the timeline or click the green plus icon to add it. Step 3. Apply the blur effect. Go to Effects at the top, select the Basic tab, and find the blur effect. And add this to your timeline. You can adjust your effect value by that sliding bar. Step 4. Mask the blur effect. Click on the Mask option in the top right corner. Choose a shape for your mask, like a circle or rectangle. You can also use brush to blur specific area of your video. Adjust the mask to cover the area you want to blur. To blur outside the mask, click the reverse option. Step 5. Final adjustments. Review your video to ensure the blur effect looks good. Also adjust it use specific timeline. You can always go back to edit effects to tweak the blur intensity or duration. And that's it. You've successfully blurred a specific part of your video using masking and effects. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.